If you need to extract the largest value from a list or the smallest value from a list, both of those are fairly straightforward using the two functions max and min. And to make it even simpler, we can use either from the Formulas tab, the drop arrow associated with AutoSum, or on the Home tab. Just click the drop arrow, and if you want to get the maximum value, simply choose max. And in the example here, if we're looking for salaries, we'll simply redirect this by clicking column F to come up with the highest salary. And similarly with lowest, same general idea, use the drop arrow. There's min, and then we could click column F and find the minimum salary in this list. Fairly straightforward in both cases. But sometimes you need to know the second highest salary. Certainly one way to get there would be to sort the data, but there is a function called large. Large simply says, I'm looking at some data, for example, in column F, comma, and I want to know the second highest entry, or the third, or the fourth, or the fifth. Any number you want there. Type it in, or if it's nearby, and I put the numbers here in column J ahead of time, I'll simply refer to that location. So this will give us the second highest salary. And simply because we are using an entire column reference, we can simply double-click to copy this down here, and then get the second, third, fourth, and fifth, if that's what we need. And similarly with lowest, and you can almost guess the name of the function. If it's large, to find the second, third, and fourth, etc., largest number, then it's going to be equal small. So if we're looking for the second smallest entry, then here too, we would click column F, comma, and I could either type in a 2, but since it's to the right, I'll simply use the value that's over there, and we'll put in the second smallest entry, and then double-clicking will get the others as well. So large and small, occasionally handy. For years, I never saw them, didn't know they existed, and then one day needed them, and they came in really handy. Can't say I've used them a whole lot since, but it gives us one more tool and one quick way to get a hold of data. We don't have to sort the data as we use these functions, so they're very valuable in certain contexts.